I've only got a couple of hours before I start this adventure I call going to work. It takes me 2 stinking days, so I thought, you know what, I got a bunch of running around to do. Do I got time to make a video? Of course I do, so stick around. I got just a couple little shenanigans lined up today. Alright, let's start this adventure. Welcome to the Isle Supermoto Adventure Show. I'm your host, as always, MTM. Alright, let's stop messing around and just get this adventure started. Ooh, someone's got the Death Star cleaned right up. Okay, so what am I going to do today? I've just got to go to the bank. That's going to be awesome. Bring you guys along, maybe. Be pretty rad, I guess. But no, but today what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about the Supermoto. Had my baby here for, this is the first summer. I picked her up in February. So I'm going to be talking about the DRZ in particular because it's the bike that I'm most familiar with. And any of you bikers out there know, people will talk to you all the time. People come up to me, like I was just at the gas station there buying lotto because I need to win that stinking lotto so I can quit going to work for a month at a time and not ride my baby. People come up to you and tell you like, oh yeah, you know, I'm getting a bike too, but I'm gonna get a dual sport. Yeah, okay, that's awesome. And oh, you know, another quick question I get a lot is, what was the conversion like? How hard was it to convert it over to a street bike? Well, it wasn't. I gave them the check. But the one thing I did do, you know, add the accessories on. Oh, I'm gonna miss riding this. Oh man, probably won't get to ride it till October now, and it's August 8th. Got some other stuff planned. Videos to come, I'm sure you of that. This guy pinched off my secret squirrel parking spot. Bastard. Yeah, fuck, I'm just gonna take up this full spot then. You don't want to give the DRZ room? I'll take up a whole spot. Not to give in a shit. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys really missed out on the bank action. It was extremely exciting. I pushed some buttons, there were some beeping sounds, and money came out. I know, it was cool. Should have been there. I should have been filming. Yeah, but then somebody will steal my PIN number. Okay.
We're not ordinary people. We're morons.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I got lots of lane over here. Oh, nice. Oh, I hope he gets in front of me. Oh, so close. Should I pass the old logging truck? No, I'm not going to pass the logging truck because I've got to do some pulling over here. What little tiny adventure do I have lined up today? I've been to the bank. I got lottery tickets. Yeah, that was awesome. I'm going to try a little bit of off-roading. The other day, my wife and I were coming back from a dog show up in Campbell River, and just up here on the right, you can see it, there was a lot of police action. And I seen all these little trails in here, and I don't know where they go, so what we're going to do is we're going to sneak off here. Like, there was cops and stuff all over, people hiding down in this ditch, and I don't know where this goes. And by the way, oh, slick. This one's for you, Red Racer. No! I know it's not single track, but it's something. There seems to be quite... Now it looks decommissioned for sure. Yeah, if you're looking for some really cool... Actually, to see some really cool single track action... Bunch of tires down here. Single track action, make sure you check out Red Racer's channel. No! Link in the description. He's from Idaho, and man, does he ride some cool trails. Like, super cool. This isn't single track. This is what I would consider some dirt road action. Yeah. So yeah, check out his channel. Link in the description. I'm just going to talk a little bit about the difference between a Supermoto and a dual sport, because a lot of people, well, why didn't you get the dual sport? Well, because when I looked, I'm going to be doing most of my riding on the street, not stuff like this. This is okay. These tires are absolute street tires. They suck in this kind of stuff, especially this loose stuff. Terrible. But the cool thing is, you feel like an absolute boss ripping it up because they got no traction. Oh, okay, so this goes down to this walking path. Yeah, that's kind of cool in there. Here, I'm going to take you guys down in there quickly. Not on the bike, because this is a beautiful walking path. I love this area, and I'm not going to be that disrespectful today. Oh, look at her. Just look at that. Thing of beauty. That's what I'm talking about, the tires, ladies and gentlemen. Kind of cool. You know what? I'm going to eat my words. Definite Instagram shot here for sure. Smooth. Some dog shit there too. Okay, so in my defense, it's only a little bit on the trail. Okay, so would I get the Supermoto over the true enduro version? Absolutely. I love the inverted forks. They look awesome. The amount I ride it off-road is extremely minimal. Could you go like a 60-40 tire? Absolutely. Probably when I wear these tires out, I will go that route. A little more aggressive. See that? See, you can just shred the dirt with these street slicks. Okay, is this a trail here? Oh yeah, there's something going on here. Oh, Red Racer, this is more your speed, hey? Nice. Yeah. Nope. Whoa. Let's do it. You don't win if you don't play. And guess what? I lost. I have no damn idea how I'm getting out of this. My skills, I don't think, are that dope to get my bike up that. I got something in my nose. What? This camera's not rolling. Okay. Whew. The one thing is, when it comes to misadventures, MTM's got your back. I still feel cool as shit doing that. Should we go this way? How are we doing for... Oh, this. Okay, so what I was going to say about having street tires is the back tire, you feel like a boss because you can do burnouts shit for miles. But it's the front tire that's going to get you, because it'll give out. Oh man, this just goes to these gravel pits. Oh yeah, I'll go down in here for sure. Christ! There's that front tire again. Okay. You know what? I'm not gonna push any further because Supermoto does not like soft shit. Oh my god, I can't even get a run at this. Oh, like a boss. Okay, so, whew, lesson learned. I don't know, I tried to come in that skinny ass trail. But this is how you get into those pits off of the Coombs Road there. Yeah! Yeah! Who's the man? Who's the man? Ready? Big burnout. Yeah! So this right here is the reason I got the Supermoto. Back on the street, I had a little fun pushing her down there in the bushes. Okay, to sum it up, am I happy? Nice. Am I happy I bought the actual DRZ Supermoto? Yes. The DRZ would attract me to it. It's a solid tank. You can put it through anything. It may not be the most powerful machine on the market, but for me, it does just fine. Also, you don't have the maintenance you do on some of those higher CC Supermotos. I saw this guy on Aprilia 939. Was I envious of the power wheelies and the pure torque this thing had? Absolutely. More than double the displacement I have. Would I give up my DRZ for one of these bikes? If I had a huge bankroll, if I had a shit ton of time to maintain these bikes myself and stuff, yeah, I would have gone that route. But I don't. The one thing I don't have is a lot of time. I know these videos make it look like all I do is ride around, but seriously, I haven't ridden my bike in like 4 days, and now I gotta go to work for a month. And number one, it is fun as to ride. Oh, let me tell you. Oh. As always, if you like what you see, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. That way you're not going to miss out on any of the action I've got coming up. And as always, thank you so much for watching. It's been fun.
If you're doing what everyone else is doing,